Hi, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this gorgeous bean stitch. It's very simple and it's ideal for beginners. So let's go ahead and get started. For this tutorial, I'm going to go ahead and chain 20. We'll start with a slip knot. And I'm going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through, and that is called a chain. I'm going to go ahead and do that 17 more times. Okay, and that is my chain of 20. So to begin, I'm going to be working in the back of the chain, which is these little bumps right here on the back. That sometimes is called a back bump or the third loop. And if you run your thumb down the back of your chain, you can feel those. So we're going to start in the second chain from the hook, which is this one. I'm going to turn it over. I'm going to skip this first chain back bump or third loop, and I'm going to go into this one. So I'm going to go right underneath that, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. So we are doing one single crochet in each of the third loops or the back bump. Insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both. Insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn over, pull through both. Do a single crochet in each of these back bumps, and I'll meet you back here at the end of the row. And last one. And then chain 1 and turn our work. So that is the first row. To begin row 2, you're going to single crochet in the very first stitch. So you're going to go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through both. We're going to skip the next stitch, and then we're going to create our first bean stitch in this very next stitch. You're going to insert, go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through. You have 2 loops on your hook, yarn over, go back into the very same stitch under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through. You have 4 loops on your hook, yarn over once more, insert into the same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. You'll have a total of 6 loops on your hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull through all 6, and then chain 1 to complete that bean stitch. We're going to skip the next stitch and create your next bean stitch. So insert your hook, go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, 2 loops, yarn over, insert into the very same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, 4 loops, yarn over one last time, insert into the very same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through, 6 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 6, and then chain 1. We're going to repeat that very same pattern all the way to the end of the row. So you'll skip a stitch, the next stitch a bean stitch, skip a stitch, next stitch a bean stitch, and continue that all the way to the end of the row. I'll meet you back after your last bean stitch that you've created. So go ahead and pause the video. I will put the instructions on the screen, and I'll meet you back here in just a moment. Okay, I am creating the very last bean stitch for this row. Now I'm going to skip a stitch, and in the very last stitch we're going to place 1 single crochet. So go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Chain 1 and turn your work. That is the end of row 2, and that's how your work should look at this point. To begin row 3, in the very first stitch we're going to single crochet. You'll go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, pull through both. Now the very next stitch, we're going to place a bean stitch. So if you pull these apart just a bit, you'll see not where you've chained one, but in the very next space. That's where you're going to create your bean stitch. So we're going to insert, go under both loops, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 4 loops, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 6 loops, yarn over, pull through all 6, and chain 1. Now we're going to go into the next open space. Insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, yarn over, same stitch, grab the yarn, pull it through. There's 4 loops, yarn over, insert, grab the yarn, pull it through, 6 loops total, yarn over, pull through all 6, and chain 1. Go ahead and pause the video and I'll meet you back at the end of the row right after you create your last bean stitch. Now the last stitch in the row, we're just going to single crochet. Go under both loops, bring it through, 2 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through both. Chain 1, turn your work, and that is the end of row 3. So from here on out, you will single crochet in the very first stitch of the row, go into the very next space right after your bean stitch and create another bean stitch. So you will do that all the way down to the end of the row and then single crochet in the very last stitch. Chain 1, turn your work, and continue on. You can change colors as I did in the example, or you can keep it all the same color. It's just your choice. You'll just go to your desired length. Don't forget to like and share the video, and be sure to subscribe for more tutorials. I thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have an amazing day ahead.